Yes, good morning, folks. How are you guys doing? Thanks for joining. I appreciate you guys watching my channel, giving me you guys support. I'm showing you the mountain right in my backyard. Look at that. Look at that. See that, guys? Yes. Nice, beautiful mountain right in my backyard. And it extends all the way over to that side. Yeah, man. I just wake up. Me no one can hear the frog in my voice. But yeah, just get up. So I say, you know what? Make me show my people them, my vloggers them, or my backyard look. So I go kind of showing the guys some other rest of clips later on. Okay, guys? All right. Yes, guys, look how Jamaica beautiful. Look on the beautiful mountain greenery houses. Look there. Look how the sky bright, clean, cloudy sky. Today's a nice day. I give you a sneak preview, you know? Oh, Jamaica. Nice. Some people have built up something here, so I don't know what it is. I will just, you know? Some nice houses over so. I wonder if we can zoom them up. Oh, that's the farthest we can zoom it up. See there? Farthest we can zoom it up. Some nice, beautiful houses all the way over so look. Yeah, man. It's nice. On a mountain the way over so. Probably all of that at the Blue Mountain Peak. Yeah. So I'm bulldozer right here, so it look like a bulldozer turn over. Man them that work the bulldozer and look like it turn over. See right down in there. Right down this way in a ditch. I don't know if you can see it, but they're right down this way in a ditch. Man, they want to dig it out. Yeah. Alright, folks. We'll soon link on the box. Alright? Soon we'll be back. Good morning, folks. Look at my breakfast. Yeah, I eat good, nice, healthy breakfast. Okay? Yeah, see the wife over there, and she make the breakfast give me. Turn around your face, make the people them see you.
Good morning, guys. How are you?
What kind of breakfast you make for your husband this morning?
I made callaloo and I fried some food.
Okay. That's all you have to say to the guys there? To the YouTube channel?
Well, for now, we're going on a road trip, so we'll keep you guys updated.
Okay. So yes, guys, I'm gonna cook some ackee and saltfish for dinner. So I'm gonna take out the ackee. We have a whole heap of ackee in the fridge. See ackee here. Ackee here. See ackee here. See ackee here. Over there, so see ackee there. And in the corner, see ackee there. A whole heap of ackee we have in the fridge. You know? So I'm gonna take out a parcel of ackee. Me showing on the other day when me da clean up the ackee. So ackee and saltfish for dinner today, man. So we have to take out the ackee, just thrown up. You know, whole heap of ackee. bringing home a lot of ackee. So yep, take it out and put it in a container and make it tar out. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to the SJ family. Yes, I'm here doing some ackee. Strip them for dinner for later. We're having the national dish, ackee and saltfish. So, yes, I'm preparing them right now.